Coming in, viewers, now a special team of the Union Health Ministry officials have rushed to Mumbai, Maharashtra to review the situation in the city. The team includes Health Ministry Joint Secretary Love Agrawal himself. This is the latest update coming in, even as we are seeing the situation in a way deteriorating in the Mumbai city. Specifically, if we talk about the number of cases increasing, Maharashtra is the worst when it comes to the number of COVID cases. Now, a special team of the Union Health Ministry officials have rushed to Mumbai to overview the situation in the city. We'll go across to Piyush, who has more details on the entire issue. Piyush, over to you. Take us through how we are witnessing a special team of the Union Health Ministry officials who have now rushed to Mumbai to overview the situation on ground.
Well, Lija, there are two aspects. A, that it's important to understand that the cases are increasing in Mumbai, and it was also, told to our viewers. We have told our viewers that the government has already formed various multiple teams of Health Ministry which are looking into hotspot zones, especially hotspot zones who are worst affected. And Mumbai is one of the zone which is the worst affected because more than 10,000 cases have already been reported. And looking at that, what we are learning is that now the central government has itself intervened, and a Joint Secretary of Health Ministry, Love Agrawal, he is now on his way to Mumbai. Today, we can also tell to our viewers that every day at 4 p.m. a press conference of Health Ministry takes place, and that is done by Love Agrawal himself. But right now, he is on his way to Mumbai, and that's because the number of cases are increasing, and he is going to oversee the situation. What is more important here is that there are 8 members of Health Ministry and experts are involved in this group of officials who have gone there in Mumbai from Delhi, and this is because the cases are increasing there day by day, minute by minute. We are seeing the number of cases those are being reported here there in Mumbai and other parts of Maharashtra. So that's important to understand that it's somewhere a worrisome situation also. That's why the central government has itself intervened. Joint Secretary of Health Ministry Love Agrawal along with 8 other health experts, officials, they are flown to Mumbai. This exercise is being done to review also the kind of situation which has now erupted in Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai, because the cases are increasing. And after that, a report will also be submitted. Like I was telling you that at 4 p.m. he does press conferences, but now he's in Mumbai. The press conference of Health Ministry has also been cancelled. We'll have to wait and watch what would be the kind of decisions or the review takes place when Love Agrawal reaches there. Though it's important development taking place because now central government itself now intervening in the number of cases those are now increasing in Mumbai, and trying to understand as to why the cases are on rise in Mumbai especially.
Okay, Piyush, stay with us. We'll also go across to Alicia now, is also joining us live from Mumbai. So Alicia, big updates coming in a way the centre does not want to take any chances when it comes to Mumbai and Maharashtra, which has seen the number of cases rise every single day. Now a special team of the Union Health Ministry officials have been rushed to Mumbai to take stock of the situation. Take us through how important is it, as well as the team includes the Health Ministry Joint Secretary Love Agrawal himself heading the team.
बिल्कुल हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री की ओर से ये फैसला लेना, क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है मुंबई में खास तौर पर 10,714 कोविड-19 के पॉजिटिव केसेस है। ये सिर्फ कल जहां पर स्टेट हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट की ओर से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई थी, जाकि 24 घंटे में करीबन 1,230 केसेस जो है वो मुंबई और खुद महाराष्ट्र में बढ़े थे। और खास तौर पर मुंबई की बात करें तो लगातार कोविड-19 के केसेस सामने आ रहे हैं। फिर न कि सिर्फ एक आम जनता की बात करें, पर खुद हम देख रहे हैं मंत्रालय में भी जहाँ पर AIS ऑफिसर वो भी कोविड-19 के पॉजिटिव पाए गए, और साथ ही यहाँ के पुलिस पर्सनल को भी देखा जा रहा है। तो महाराष्ट्र में पुलिस पर्सनल भी जो कि कोरोना वॉरियर्स है वो खुद अब इन्फेक्टेड होते जा रहे हैं, जिसके बाद अब हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री जो है उनके ओर से ये डिसीजन लिया जा रहा है। जैसे खुद मेरे कलीग पीयूष ने बताया कि खुद सेंट्रल की ओर से 8 टीम यहाँ पर आएगी, जिसको खुद लीड जो है वो हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री के जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी लव अग्रवाल करेंगे, और खुद जो हॉस्पिटल के एक्सपर्ट्स हो या डॉक्टर्स हो वो खुद यहाँ पर मुंबई आएंगे, और मुंबई आने के बाद जो है सर्वे किया जाएगा। जाहिर सी बात है सबसे पहले स्लम्स एरिया को को देखा जाएगा, क्योंकि लगातार वहां पर जो नंबर है वो लगातार बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। और खास तौर पर धारावी की बात करें, रोजाना वहां पर 80,000 से ज्यादा स्क्रीनिंग हो रही है। अब खुद जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की ओर से धारावी में डोर टू डोर स्क्रीनिंग जो है वो शुरू कर दी है। और अब जो कल का डेटा खुद बीएमसी की ओर से दी गई थी, जिसमें 770 कोविड-19 के पॉजिटिव केसेस सिर्फ धारावी में आए, वहीं पर 21 लोगों की डेथ हो गई है। जाहिर सी बात है, मुंबई को खुद अब जो कोविड-19 की जो सिचुएशन हम मुंबई में देख रहे हैं, जहां 10,712 केसेस जो है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुंबई से देख रहे हैं हम, जहां पर 400 से ज़्यादा डेथ हो चुकी है। और उसी के सर्वे के लिए खुद हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री के ओर से जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी लव अग्रवाल और उनकी टीम जो है, जिसमें हॉस्पिटल के एक्सपर्ट्स और डॉक्टर जो है वो मुंबई आकर सर्वे करेंगे। जी।
All right. Thank you so much, Alicia, as well as Piyush, for getting that ground update. We'll wait and see what really comes out of that survey or review that the Health Ministry, the Central Health Ministry team really does in Mumbai.